Before diving into the concept of paging, let us understand memory management and importance of paging in it. Let us understand memory. As we know, memory is a collection of data in a specific format. It is used to store instructions and process data. The memory comprises a large array or group of words or bytes, each with its own location. An analogy can be shelves in a rack, each containing books of different subjects. So, having understood memory, let us understand what is main memory with a real life example. Consider an example of e-cart service wherein there will be a warehouse where all the goods or items will be stored. From this warehouse, the items will be transferred to a service center. From this service center, the items will be dispatched to different destinations. Here, the warehouse can be considered as secondary memory, service center as main memory, wherein the goods required to be dispatched are loaded, dispatched, and again the space is made for other goods to be loaded. So, having understood the example, now let us look at the definition of main memory. Main memory is a repository of rapidly available information shared by the CPU and input-output devices. It is the place where the programs and information are kept when the processor is effectively utilizing them. Having understood the definition of main memory, now let us look at the same previous example. From warehouse, that is the secondary memory, the items are sent to the service center alias main memory, where different items to be dispatched to different destinations are allocated some space in service center. Sending the items to a destination can be considered as a process. So this task of subdividing the service center space among different destined items is called memory management. So having understood it with an example, let us look at the definition of memory management. It goes like this. The task of subdividing the memory among different processors is called memory management. Memory management is a method in the operating system to manage operations between main memory and disk during process execution. The main aim of memory management is to achieve efficient utilization of memory. And as we saw, once the items were dispatched, the space was made for other items to be loaded. This serves one of the main purposes of memory management, that is, to allocate and deallocate the memory before and after process execution.
Created using Powtoon.